Hello and welcome to Aaliyah's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making lazy cookies. And so all you're going to need for ingredients is 5 tablespoons of butter, your choice amount of chocolate chips, 2 eggs, and cake box. Most important part is to wash your hands first, so please wash your hands because it's disgusting if you don't. So step number 1, we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And then we're going to put the butter in a cup and melt it. I'm sorry, I'm not going to use the right measuring things because I really don't care. So I'm sorry. If this bothers you, this is going in the microwave. And for starters, we're just going to put it in for 30 seconds. We're going to be using Betty Crocker Super Moist Butter Recipe Yellow Cake Mix because that's what makes it the best. So you're just going to take this, you're just going to dump it in. Now that you have this in here, let it sit, and then you're going to go back to your butter. Now you're going to take your butter, your melted butter that you get out of your microwave, and you're just going to pour it in your cake mix. And then, Aaliyah's Kitchen, we're going to use a plastic knife. After you finish mixing it, it should look like this. Nice and like almost liquidy, almost doughy. And then you're gonna add your desired amount of chocolate chips and you just start adding them, and then you can slowly mix them in as you go. You're just gonna add in some more chocolate chips because we mixed in all the other ones and it's not that many, so we're gonna put more. And then continue mixing. After you have fully mixed in all of your desired amount of chocolate chips, you're gonna take your cooking spray and you're gonna spray your pan before you put it in so it doesn't stick to the bottom. You're just gonna take your mixture and you're gonna pour it into the pan. And as you pour it into the pan, try and spread it out as evenly as you can so that you don't have to even it out as much when you put it in. Start spreading it out evenly throughout your pan so that you don't overcook it, because you don't want to do that. And you also don't want to undercook it because you don't want to get salmonella. And then once you even it out, you're going to put it in the oven. Okay, so now you're going to take your fully evened out mixture and you're going to put it in the oven. And just to start, you're going to put it in for 10 minutes and keep checking it. Okay, so we ended up putting it in for an extra 10 minutes, so it went in for 20. And this is how it should look, and now you're going to let it cool before you can eat them.